is Howard Ginsberg. I'm a neurosurgeon at St. Michael's Hospital. I'm also Chief Medical Officer of a company called Point Surgical. As an engineering science student, I was doing medical device research, and I found it kind of interesting. So I thought, why don't I go to medical school? So I went to U of T Medical School after that. People have asked me in the past, why did you switch from engineering to surgery? And I say, I didn't. I'm an engineer who does surgery on people. Like, you never lose that part of being an engineer, right? So I look at every surgery we do as a technical engineering problem. I sort of see myself as fitting in that niche where you can speak, it's almost like you're bilingual in medicine and engineering, and you can bring them together, not just helping the one or two patients at a time, but spreading your knowledge to others and they go out and help other people. Just being in U of T engineering and doing my fourth year thesis, that is literally what spawned my career and my interest in medicine and subsequently neurosurgery. And the U of T community for me has been, it's the foundation that everything has been built on in my entire career.